Hello, it's Vicky with Conde Tech Support. I'm going to show you how to do an install using a power driver for Ricoh dye sublimation using your Ricoh printer, both the GX3300 and the GX7000. I'm going to demonstrate using the GX7000 because, well, it would work the same for both printers. So let's get started. I'm going to go to the Sawgrass page. Keep in mind that we at Conde have an ICC profile that we offer clients for dye sublimation as color management, which we highly rate. And the alternative to that is the power driver made by Sawgrass. And some people run with the power driver, and that's okay. We just want to show you how to do the install. You wouldn't be able to run both ICC profile and the power driver at the same time. I want to show you how to do the power driver install for those folks who use the power driver. So let's go to the SOG's homepage where we can download the power driver. And we're going to scroll over to technical support. We're going to scroll down to SubliJet, and we're going to look for drivers. Left click on drivers, and make sure you read the menus here. It's going to tell you where the power driver is, which we're going for the power driver. Ricoh Platforms GX7000. I'm going to left click on that. It's going to give me the option to save. I'm going to save it, and that's going to download, which is already done. And here we can see our downloads. I'm in my download folder, and I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to run and click next. Click next and agree to the license agreement. It's asking me if I want to register, install the app. You can choose to register or not register now. I'm going to leave it on, and now I'm going to click install. You also need to know that to install the power driver, you must first have the OEM driver installed, and the OEM driver is the original Ricoh driver. And it's giving me an option here, verify publisher. We're just going to install driver anyway. That's just a warning through Microsoft. It's no big deal, just click and install it anyway. Okay, it's asking me if I would like to register the product now. Keep in mind you have, I think it's 3 to 5 days to register your power driver. You can choose to register it now, or you can always click on the link inside the driver where it'll take you straight to the page where you register the driver. I'm going to go ahead and click yes, and it's asking me for my registration code, and click there to obtain the registration code. You're going to fill out some information in here, and once you fill out that information, you'll receive your code. Okay, I filled out this information in here, some of the necessary information that I need to provide to get registered. This is your product ID number, and now it's asking for a version, so we're going to go get that. Go to Start, click on Devices and Printers from your control panel, and from the OEM driver you're going to get the version. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go left click on Printing Preferences from my gel printer GX7000, and I'm going to click on About from the Setup tab, and that's going to give me my version, which is 3.25. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to get out of this, and now I'm going to enter that 3.25 here, and reason for registering, new customer, and submit. Okay, I'm going to try to submit again. Here we go. And It's giving me my new registration code, and this is letting me know that it was successful, and now we just need to go apply our code and to get the power driver registered, which we'll go do that now. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten an email from Sawgrass Technologies now to the email address that I entered in my registration form. I'm going to click on that, and here's my code. I'm just going to copy paste it, and copy paste it right here, and I'm going to apply the code. And congratulations, you have registered your product. I'm going to click OK, and a reboot is suggested. I'm going to say no for now. And as you can see, the driver installation is almost complete. I'm going to close this, minimize this, and let's go see if we have a power driver here. Install devices and printers, and there's my power driver. So let's set up the power driver. A little bit I want you to know about what to select within the power driver so that you get the maximum output when you print to it. Anytime you use the power driver, you're going to let me start over. Anytime you choose to use the power driver for color management, you're going to print to the power driver from within the application. One little change here and a couple things you need to know from within the power driver is your paper type. You want to select Media Street 31 pound, and then by default the power driver will mirror the image so that you don't have to mirror it anywhere else. So within the application, say Corel Draw or Photoshop, you'll just go to File, Print, and then you'll choose your paper sizes and things like that to prepare your document, and then you'll choose the power driver to print to versus the Ricoh driver, and then this will open up and it'll allow you to choose a paper size, so forth, and we'll just apply it and click OK. And that's how you set up the power driver for color management using the Ricoh DISUB equipment. If you have any questions on how to run, register, or set up for power driver use, give us a call here at Conde, 1-800-826-6332. Again, my name is Vicky, and as always, thank you for your time.